Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I feel like I should do the British way.
Yeah, if you guys couldn't tell from the title, I guess I should say I hope you're having a fantastic day. And I'm here today with my friend Cheryl, who's British. Do you want to tell the story of how we met?
Basically through YouTube, but I was the first person to ever recognise Sarah in public, I guess, at Summer in the City. I kind of ran up to her and was like, "You're Sarah, right?" And she was like, "Yeah, who are you, you weird English girl?"
No. Come on, I was nice.
No,
Come on,
was
give
really
me some.
lovely. Yeah, but a little bit surprised.
Yeah, I was totally surprised. Yeah, so that was like, about almost a year ago.
Yeah,
and
we had about 5,000 subscribers at the time.
Yeah, so you were definitely the first person that ever recognized me, and I was just like, "Hi!" I didn't really know how to react. I still never know how to react, but it was really nice. I was super duper flattered, and you know, here we are. We both happen to be in Amsterdam for VidCon, and I thought you guys love our cultural differences videos, and as always, Switzerland. But since Cheryl is British, do you say British or do you say English?
English.
Okay, she's English. We are gonna do like a pronunciation test challenge type of thing.
I think it's gonna be funny.
Yeah. So we have a list of words, and I guess apparently they're pronounced super different in US versus UK, so we're just gonna go down the list. We're gonna each just say it how we would say it. And you guys, I should mention, Cheryl, you started your own channel, didn't you?
Yeah, a couple of months
What
ago.
do you talk about on it? Why don't you tell me?
I guess I kind of talk about expat life. That's kind of my main focus and a thing that I think is my unique thing. But I mean, I talk a little bit about minimalism and some other like interests that I have, but mainly it's kind of my life between London and Paris, because I live in Paris.
How cool does that sound, you guys? You should definitely go check it out. I'll link it up here and I'll link it in the description, so go show some love to Cheryl, my lovely just subscriber turned friend. And yeah, I was just talking about not having many friends and how YouTube is a great way to meet people.
Definitely,
so things like this happening, it just makes my heart like so happy. But let's get into the language challenge test. So how would you pronounce that first word?
Basil.
Okay, I would say basil, or basil would be like really Midwesterner, so okay, we disagree on that one. Okay, next word, I would say that herb. Okay.
There's more of a huh.
Okay, yeah, herb. Okay, next one, okay, you go first.
Tomato.
Tomato, of course. Tomato. Does that sound so cringe to you? Is it just like...
No, it's just, different accents. It's not, and you hear it all the time anyway, because I watch American films and
that's true.
know American people. So.
Okay, let's go to this one. Like this word next, I can't imagine how else it could possibly be pronounced, so...
Tuna.
Yeah, it is.
No, but mine's more of a tuna.
Tuna. You put like a CH in it.
Yeah.
Tuna. Okay, tuna. Yeah, okay. Okay, next word, I would pronounce that fertile.
Fertile.
You actually say all the letters. Like, you're probably saying it how it's actually supposed to be said, if I had to guess. Next one?
Ballet.
Yeah.
Well, no one's gonna say ballet, are they?
Ballet. that would be really embarrassing. Okay, I actually know. Okay, this word I'm gonna say. I know how she's gonna say it. She's gonna say laboratory.
Laboratory.
Oh no, I was totally wrong. Who did I pronounce that like an Australian or something? Yeah, face palm. Yeah, I would say laboratory.
Yeah, we kind of like smush the middle syllable. Laboratory.
Laboratory. Who says laboratory? Am I just making that up? Okay, next word, I would pronounce garage.
Garage.
Oh, that one is totally different. Okay, we should like make each other say it the other way. So, garage.
Garage. It's not really that hard.
Bathroom.
A lot of people would say bathroom, but for some reason I say bathroom. But
I think, obviously in the US, if you're in a restaurant, you say, "Where is the bathroom?" But you don't say that in England.
No, you say, "Where's the toilet?"
Where's the toilet? Yeah. And I think I tend to say that now because in German and I think in most languages they say, "Where is the toilet?" And then for some reason in the US we say...
It's kind of euphemized.
Yeah.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, so we say...
Because no one's going to go take a bath.
Yeah,
I just said bath, but I say bathroom.
Yeah.
It's so weird.
That is weird. I think if you would say in the US, like, "Where's the toilet?" Like, I'll be honest, it sounds like you're super desperate, like you have to go to the toilet, like, right now. Like something bad is about to happen. Where's the toilet? Not the bathroom, like the toilet itself. It sounds a little bit crude, I think, if you would say that in American. Yeah, quite direct, exactly. Or I think WC, do you use that in England?
In France they do, but
in France, yeah. Which is funny because people say it stands for water closet.
Yeah.
And they use it in Germany, but it's English, so it's kind of weird. Oh, okay, let's do this again. I'm gonna guess how Cheryl is gonna pronounce this word. I think she's gonna say advertisement.
Advertisement.
Really?
But I don't know.
What kind of pronunciation am I thinking?
I don't know, because I think sometimes I might say advertisement and sometimes...
Advertisement. I'm just kidding. Advertisement, yeah. Definitely depends where you're from in the US, how you say some of these words, definitely. Okay, this one. You go ahead.
Can't.
Can't. Yeah, we definitely can't.
Would this be premiere?
Premiere?
Premiere.
Oh, I like hold my arm. What am I doing? Well, wait, say it again.
Premiere.
I'm like, I don't know, I'm like saying it in a totally... Premiere.
You sound French.
I sound French. I'm like, I'm making it up as I go. Next, I would say...
I don't even know what that word
is. I think it's minute. I know how you're gonna say it. I've seen this in the movies. Aluminium. Yes.
Yeah.
Aluminum. We say aluminum.
Aluminum.
Okay, you're pretty good at that. Okay. Yeah. Again. Okay. How would I pronounce this word?
Ant.
Ant.
Like a crawling ant.
Yeah. Do you pronounce it differently?
Ant.
How do you pronounce the crawly one?
Ant.
Ah, I didn't know that. Yeah, we say ant and ant. You say ant and aunt. You know, everyone thinks like, we think they talk funny, she thinks I talk funny. It's just different. It's just
the Americans are wrong.
Come on, I'm trying to be all sensitive. Like, we're all right, guys. It doesn't matter.
I'm not good at being sensitive.
Yeah. If you want a bit of sass, just go check out Cheryl.
I think that's the British in me, though.
Is it?
I think so.
Are you a little bit rough around the edges?
Yeah. I think the Americans are more kind of polite and they want to make people feel at ease, and whereas us Brits were just like stiff upper lip, I think, and it's like tell it how it is.
You know, I don't really know any English people, so I don't really have a lot of experience in that. Do you know any other Americans?
I know a load of Canadians, but not really Americans so much. I mean, I know some from in terms of like listening to them speaking and stuff like that, but not personally.
Not personally? Yeah. So those were some words that are pronounced a little bit differently, but now we're gonna say like, I call it one thing and you call it something completely different.
Yeah.
So when you apply for a job and you go for the interview and like you hand them a piece of paper with your qualifications, what do you call that?
CV.
A CV. Yeah, we say resume.
Obviously I understand resume though.
You do?
You could.
See, I think most Americans would not understand CV. I think they would be like, what on earth are you talking about?
Oh really?
Yeah, I think so.
Funny.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay, so this that I'm holding in my hand, how do you call it?
A mobile phone.
Mobile
or a
phone.
mobile.
Cell phone. We definitely say cell phone.
Although I think people refer to them now quite often as the brand name, so it's your iPhone or your Samsung. Or,
that's true.
That's
true.
more in the last few years.
That's true. So when you are out and you can't pay with a credit card and you have to go get money, what do you get it out of? What is that machine called?
Cash machine.
Cash machine.
Or an ATM.
Okay, ATM. That's what I would say.
Yeah,
ATM.
but that's not so natural to say.
What?
For me.
Cash machine?
No, ATM.
Ah, okay. So over here, like in Europe, the first floor, like I shouldn't say first floor, the first floor that you walk into in a building, what do you call it?
Ground floor.
Ground floor, right?
Yeah.
And then up one is
first floor.
First floor. Where we call the one that is on the ground, we call it the first floor. And then the
really?
Yeah, you didn't know that.
No,
yeah. Yeah, so like I think, is it in all of North America or just US? I think it's most of North America. So like the one right on the ground is the first floor, and then you go up one set of stairs, you're on the second floor. You never heard of that?
No.
Seriously?
So what would the ground floor be?
First floor.
So ground floor doesn't really exist.
Oh, no,
It would be
no.
like the basement?
No, basement is if it's underground.
The cellar?
Yeah, there we go, another one. Okay, camera overheated, we had to cool it down for a second, and we decided to bring in a special guest.
The Swiss.
It's plant-based Matt. So, what are we gonna do for the final part of the video?
I'm going to give you a lesson on how to talk.
Oh, a lesson.
How to talk.
Oh, okay.
That is big words.
Yeah, okay.
No, an English pronunciation lesson.
Okay, all right.
Perfect.
Leisure activity.
Oh, leisure activity. Say it again.
Leisure activity.
She's like what's that software? Rosetta
Like
Stone.
Siri?
No, yeah. Leisure activity.
That was good.
Okay, yeah.
Parliament.
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 You said it like an American. Parliament.
Schedule.
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 Vitamin.
Vitamin.
Say it with the accent.
Didn't I do it? I thought I was doing it. Let me know in the comments down below.
How is he
Yeah.
doing 1 to 10? Okay. Vitamin.
Vase.
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 Privacy.
You go first.
Privacy.
Privacy.
Okay.
Can I have a little privacy?
Neither of you is saying it right.
There you go. Say the whole sentence.
Neither of you is saying it right.
Matthias, I know I'm laughing at you. I'm probably just as bad. We're trying to teach a Swiss to speak English with an English
British
accent.
yeah.
Okay. Neither of you are saying it right. No, that was awful.
It was
okay.
just the
It was
right
good.
at the end. Right.
How would you say it?
More posh. More
Neither of you are saying it right.
I have to be more fancy. Neither of you are saying it right.
That's so right.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to go down this route.
I'm going to go. I'm going to go down this route.
I'm going to go down this route. Was mine good?
Yeah.
Mine wasn't good. It sounded
No.
exact same.
No.
It sounded
Route.
exact same. Route.
You sound so American. You're so funny.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
I can't answer you with this. Yogurt. No, I can't say that one. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go check out Cheryl's channel. Again, it's linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I will see you tomorrow in the next one. Bye.
And until next time, guys, don't forget, every single day you have the opportunity to take your dreams and put them into action. So,
Work hard, be kind, and make it happen.
Yeah, that was perfect. Oh.